12 autograph collection downtown by Marriott. So we are at World of Coke. Got to go check this out and try, I think you just try a bunch of sodas from around the world or something. So, never been here. Michael lived here. Good. Michael lived here for 5 years, and because he went to Georgia Tech, and literally he has never been to the World of Coke. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
So we're in Atlanta with my sister, my grandma, my mom, Michael, my brother and his friend.
Yes, yes. Beverage, original, Coke Zero, cane sugar and stevia, diet. I'll do Coke Zero. Coke Zero.
Cane sugar and stevia.
Okay, this one has only 6.
I just want to do the original.
Original? Okay.
Thank you. Number one fan.
Cheers.
Brothers over here designing a Coke bottle.
Going minimalistic because it's body. And then there's like sound.
Pretty cool. What do you think of the world of Coke?
It's Cokey.
My takeaway is we can all learn something about marketing
Mine's
from
about to.
What are you jokesters doing over here?
A lot of photo setup. Grandma was poking her head through these windows. Throwing them in here.
We missed the polar bear. There he is. We are headed into the tasting room where they say we can try over 100 different variations of Coke.
All around the world.
And we're going to try them all. We will see what is the best.
And yes, well, not still design your very own ice cream so good. $9.95. That $9.95 comes complete with your rolled up over ice cream and usable low cut with the top as smooth as raw and your scoop ice cream. That's right, folks, with the design.
We're going to try this. Oh, that's way too much.
Italy called the Beverly.
This is from Moldova. Oh, that's good. I don't really know what that is, but Russia. What do you think the one from Sweden? Grandma, come try the one from Sweden. This one is from Sweden.
That's good.
Sweden.
Oh, the lingonberry.
Yeah. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, that's good.
Let's try it. This one is from Sweden.
Oh. Mama, what are you trying? This
That's
is
the stickiest
lingonberry.
floor I've ever walked.
Oh, we're doing Sweden.
I keep coming back for more of this one.
We've already been in here sampling. I'm going to sample more. I'm going to be like the 100th sample.
That one is good.
Look, I know what I want to do.
flavor.
Randy gave
It's
me
really good.
barbecue meat flavor.
Yeah, one of them is from China. It tastes like a cheeseburger.
Ew.
It's so bad. It's too bright.
That is not good.
Baby.
Are those for Christmas? Do you think they're tall enough?
I think they fit.
You're not leaving without those pajamas, are you?
Are they soft?
Yeah, they're super.
Holy cow, they're so soft.
It's like you're wrapped.
Oh, he's trying them on. Oh, there they go.
It's like you're wrapped.
Oh. Yeah, do it.
Say, I'm not buying them without trying it on.
I've got to make sure they're tall enough. Here goes. There's the foot.
There's actually a hook in here.
They're gonna come over and be like, sir, you can't try on the footy
in the
pajamas.
middle of the store, sir.
Well, we don't know if they're tall enough. Here we go.
Honestly, Michael, you should get those for the winter.
Oh my gosh.
They're a little tight.
Strangers are laughing at you. Oh.
Wait, the zipper.
Wait, what?
The zipper goes by.
Oh my gosh. What if he sported the...
You have to get your feet off the zipper for
The footy pajamas are
I
kind
can't
of cute.
breathe. I cannot breathe.
They're definitely too short.
the one.
Here we are, Pond City Market. Grandma, what do you guys think?
I'm excited.
Brandy, I want to go to Madewell.
Yeah, I know.
We were going to do a video of our lunch, but it is gone before I could film it. We were hungry. We ate at this Monero's. Kind of behind the wall. Monero's. Super good Mexican food. The best queso ever. We destroyed it. Delicious. What do you think? You approve? Brandy, do you approve?
Yes, this taco is amazing. The queso is the best queso I've ever had, I think. It was so good.
They were so good, we couldn't get a video of it.
Yeah, we ate it in 10 seconds.
I took ready of the cake though.
Off to coffee.
My daughter's bakery. What's that?
Oh my
Look
god.
at these donuts.
Oh dear, I gotta
gosh.
redo it. Hold that open.
It's like she has a microphone, but she doesn't. It's like, how are you doing this? It's very fast.
Michael, what's the verdict? Is it as good as Italy? It's apparently as good as Italy. That's just it.
Y'all gotta be.
Made me scream. I'm not kidding.
A 10 out
I
of
threw my
20,
lettuce
100
to
out
the
of
side and I said, give me the pizza.
Every corner here.
The best
not
pizza.
Oh. Literally, we decided that was the best pizza we've had since
Oh, it
Italy.
was.
Michael, did that compare to the one we had in Naples? Yeah, that was hands down. That was amazing. Little Italy. Totally worth it.
What was he saying?
I've never had pizza until tonight.
So there you have it. We've never had pizza until tonight. So
my first
Antico's,
pizza.
Antico's in Atlanta.
Sat down. I was like,
2 thumbs up.
See, here's my lettuce. I just couldn't even eat it. I just wanted the pizza.
Good morning. We are hiking Stone Mountain today, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's my sister, my mom, and brother. Michael's with us. Oh, and Owen. Sorry, Owen. Michael's with us, but he ran ahead, so we probably won't see him until we get to the top. But that's okay, because I am pregnant and I am gonna go slow. Y'all see this view behind us? It's so gorgeous, but it is hot because the sun is just beating down on us, and it's supposed to be 95 today. And I'm trying not to get out of breath, but it is a little bit steep. There's Mom.
So fun.
We're in the lead, woo, except for Michael. We made it, and look who we found. Woo, there's a bee. Here's Michael at the top. How is it, everyone?
My mouth is stuffed.
Everyone's mouth is full.
Very
You like
good.
it? Chopped. Looks so good. Coffee break at Brash Coffee. Super cute. We're at one of their 3 locations. This was the one that was closest to us, so we're in Buckhead. Yeah, get it to go. Really cute. One last stop in Atlanta for a cheeseburger at Holman and Finch. Apparently, they used to only serve 24 cheeseburgers a night, and now they serve more because they were so popular and people waited in line forever for them, and then they'd be sold out. So these are supposedly the best burgers in Atlanta. So we're gonna try them.
Literally like this, honestly.
That's how we all feel. We all need food.
Seriously.
Oh my gosh.
I know, I ordered the junior. Why did I get the small one? It was so bad.
That was